Yo guys, what's up? Today we're here looking at X, US Steel. Now, US Steel has been on a bit of a tear recently. Now, I think we're at about the high end of the range, about 31-ish. Okay, and I don't think we're going to go any higher than that, so it's time to sell some of these covered calls. I'm going to rate some covered calls here on some stock that I own, and I'm going to go 30. I'm going to do that. Do a little ladder. Okay? So I cover all the bases. Uh, some potential for getting called out on the stock, but that's okay. I've got plenty of shares, and I'm doing pretty good with it. So let's take a look. See if we can make a few $100 here. $500. Let's send it out. All right, we finally got filled here in US Steel. Had to come down a little bit on the price, a little aggressive. So it's okay. Let's go take a look at our position. Okay, here's the position in this account. We're doing okay right now. So this options are going to expire here in a couple weeks. Going to make some good premium. Anyway, be sure you guys subscribe and join up to the channel for real-time stock trades and to see how to make money with these options. Alright, you just got a bunch of stock laying around. You can always sell covered calls. So be sure to subscribe. We'll show you how to do that effectively and make some money. Thanks for watching.